In a world where you're busy and your home still needs to be protected, here are 7 discreet gadgets that work quietly behind the scenes to keep you safe. Let's dive in. And as usual, links to all these products will be in the description below. Gadget 1. The Topo T110 Smart Window and Door Sensor. It remains hidden but vigilant at every possible entry point. Whenever a door or window opens, you get instant notification on your phone, ideal when you're out or occupied. Gadget 2. The Connex Smart Indoor Wi-Fi Siren Alarm. When something happens behind the scenes, the siren triggers and you receive an alert remotely. A smart addition for professional households that want protection without bulk. Gadget 3. The Topo C110 Home Security Wi-Fi Camera. Compact, effective, always watching. With motion detection and live feed to your smartphone, it keeps you in control no matter where you are. Gadget 4. A mini hidden Wi-Fi camera in HD 1080p. Perfect for behind-the-scenes monitoring of your home when you're not around. With discreet placement, you stay aware of what's happening without making your tech obvious.
And Wi-Fi routers should be operated in the same room or within 5 meters. Wi-Fi configuration is successful.
Gadget 5. The Dallas Cube Home Alarm System. Think of it as your smart home security hub. Connected sensors, mobile alerts, ability to arm, disarm remotely. Ideal for those who want an integrated behind-the-scenes setup. Gadget 6. A 1080p 2K mini wireless spy camera, small enough to be invisible in plain sight, yet powerful enough to capture full HD footage, excellent for catching unexpected movement when you're not home. Gadget 7. Smart plug or outlet sensor, simple, discreet, yet effective. Monitor what's plugged in, receive alerts when appliances turn on/off unexpectedly, and add another layer of behind-the-scenes security. There you have it, 7 discreet gadgets working quietly and smartly behind the scenes to boost your home security. Whether you're busy at work, traveling, or simply want peace of mind while you sleep, these tools have you covered. Which one are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments, like this video if you found it useful, and subscribe for more smart home tech roundups. Thanks for watching, and stay safe.